Let's learn how to set away message. Go back to the menu at the top right corner and tap on settings, tap on business settings, and tap on away message. So you set an away message when you're away, obviously. So let's go ahead and enable this. And this is the default message that will be sent to our customer when they message us while we are away. So I will tap on this pencil and I can change the text here, but let's just leave it as it is. So you can actually schedule this message. Do you want to always send this automated message all the times? Or I could set a predefined time. When to when? Today to tomorrow, for example. Let's say, for example, I won't be around today 10:35 p.m. until tomorrow 12:35 p.m. So during that period, my customers would be receiving this away message. I could also change it to outside business hours. Remember that I showed you how to enter your business hours. So when you're not running your business, you can always set this to outside of business hours. So if any customers want to contact you outside of that hours, they will receive this message too. You can also change the recipients. You want to send to everyone not in your address book, everyone except for certain people, or only send to specific people inside your contact list. Once you're done, tap on Save button. So I'm gonna try to contact my WhatsApp business app. So I'm just gonna say hello. And you see that immediately I get the away message sent to me here. It is as simple as that.